Have you ever felt like the old rules for success just don't apply anymore? You know, the whole go to college, get a degree, get a good job formula? For generations, that was the golden ticket. But let's be real, the world is changing at lightning speed, and the job market is changing right along with it. The idea that a 4-year degree is the only path to a high-paying career is quickly becoming a myth, and honestly, that's fantastic news. It means that opportunities are opening up for everyone, regardless of their academic background. Today, we're diving deep into the world of high-income skills, the skills that companies are desperately looking for and are willing to pay top dollar for, skills you can learn without spending years and a small fortune on a traditional university education. We're talking about practical, in-demand abilities that can fast-track you to a 6-figure income. So, if you're ready to explore alternative paths to financial success, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the giant in the room, tech and development. You don't need me to tell you that technology is dominating everything. Every company, from the smallest startup to the biggest global corporation, is a tech company in some way. This has created a massive, and I mean massive, demand for people who can build, manage, and analyze the digital world. Think about roles like software developers, web developers, and data analysts. These aren't just jobs, they're gateways to incredible career growth and high salaries. The best part, you can learn the necessary skills online. There are countless boot camps, online courses, and free resources that can teach you programming languages like Python and JavaScript, which are the building blocks of the web and software. Python is a powerhouse for everything from web development to data science and artificial intelligence. JavaScript is the language that makes websites interactive and dynamic. And it's not just about coding. The field of data analysis is exploding. Companies are swimming in data, and they need people who can make sense of it all. Learning skills like SQL for database management and tools like Tableau for data visualization can make you incredibly valuable. You'd be the person who turns confusing spreadsheets into clear, actionable insights that drive business decisions. The path isn't easy, it requires dedication, but you can go from a complete beginner to a job-ready developer or analyst in a matter of months, not years. Next on our list is a field that has completely revolutionized how businesses connect with customers: digital marketing. In the past, marketing was all about billboards and TV commercials. Today, it's all about the internet. If a business isn't online, it might as well be invisible. This is where digital marketers come in. They are the masters of the online universe, the wizards who drive traffic, generate leads, and build brand loyalty in the digital space. The skills here are diverse and fascinating. First, there's search engine optimization, or SEO. This is the art and science of getting a website to rank at the top of Google search results. When you can do that, you're essentially sending a flood of free, targeted customers to a business. Then there's content creation. This could be writing blog posts, creating videos, or designing infographics. Great content builds trust and positions a company as an authority in its industry. We also have social media management. It's more than just posting cool pictures. It's about building a community, engaging with followers, and running targeted ad campaigns on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Mastering skills like Google Analytics, Facebook ads, and email marketing can make you indispensable. Companies are desperate for people who can demonstrably increase their online presence and, most importantly, their revenue. Just like tech, you can learn all of these skills through affordable online courses and by simply getting hands-on experience, maybe even by starting your own blog or social media channel to practice. Now, let's shift gears from the digital world to the physical world. Let's talk about the skilled trades. For a long time, these hands-on professions were undervalued, but the tide is turning, and it's turning fast. Right now, there is a massive shortage of skilled tradespeople, and that means demand and wages are soaring. We're talking about essential, recession-proof careers like electricians, plumbers, welders, and HVAC technicians. Think about it. When your power goes out or a pipe bursts, you're not looking for a consultant with a fancy degree. You need a skilled professional, and you need them now. These are jobs that can't be outsourced or automated away. An electrician wiring a new home, a plumber fixing a complex leak. These require on-site expertise and problem-solving skills. And let's not forget the emerging green economy. The boom in renewable energy has created a huge demand for solar panel technicians and wind turbine specialists. These are the jobs of the future, building the infrastructure for a sustainable world. The training for these careers is typically much shorter and more affordable than a 4-year degree, often involving apprenticeships or vocational school programs. You get paid to learn on the job, gaining practical experience from day one and graduating with zero student debt and a guaranteed path to a stable, high-paying career. It's a powerful combination of earning while you learn and securing a future in a high-demand field. Let's move on to the creative side of things. If you have an artistic eye and a passion for visual storytelling, the world of creative professions is calling your name. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't make a great living from your creativity, because that's simply not true anymore. Two of the hottest fields right now are graphic design and video editing. In our visually driven world, strong branding and compelling video content are no longer optional for businesses, they're essential. Every logo, every website layout, every social media post, every YouTube video, it all requires a skilled creative to bring it to life. As a graphic designer, you are a visual problem solver. You use color, typography, and imagery to communicate a message and create a brand's identity. Proficiency in software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign is key. For video editors, the demand is off the charts. Video is the king of content online. Businesses need editors to create everything from short, punchy ads for social media to long-form documentary-style content for YouTube. Knowing your way around software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, and understanding storytelling, pacing, and sound design can make you a highly sought-after professional. The beauty of these fields is that your portfolio is your resume. A stunning design portfolio or a killer editing reel speaks louder than any degree. You can build these skills through online tutorials and by taking on small projects, building your experience and showcasing your talent to land high-paying clients or a full-time creative role. Finally, let us talk about a skill set that is fundamental to every single business on the planet: business and sales. No matter how great a product or service is, it doesn't sell itself. That's where skilled salespeople and business-savvy entrepreneurs come in. If you're a people person, a great communicator, and have a drive to succeed, this could be your ticket to unlimited earning potential. In many sales roles, your income is directly tied to your performance through commissions. This means there's no ceiling on how much you can earn. The better you are at understanding customer needs and closing deals, the more money you make. Key skills here include communication, negotiation, and relationship building. It's not about being pushy, it's about being a problem solver who genuinely helps clients. Beyond a traditional sales role, these skills are the foundation of entrepreneurship. If you have an idea for a business, the ability to sell that vision to investors, to customers, to employees is everything. You don't need a business degree to start a business. What you need is a great idea, a strong work ethic, and the ability to connect with people and persuade them. Networking is also a critical skill here. Building a strong professional network can open doors to opportunities you never thought possible. These are skills you develop through practice, mentorship, and real-world experience, not just from a textbook. So, what's the big takeaway from all of this? The path to financial success is more diverse than ever before. The traditional 4-year degree is still a valid option for many, but it is absolutely not the only option. The world is shifting towards a skills-based economy. What you can do is becoming far more important than what degree you have hanging on your wall. Whether it's coding a website, running a successful ad campaign, wiring a smart home, designing a beautiful logo, or closing a major deal, investing your time and energy into developing a specific in-demand skill can be your fastest and most effective route to a high-paying career. And often, it's a path with significantly less student debt and a quicker entry into the workforce, so I encourage you to explore. Find what excites you, what you're passionate about, and then go all in on learning the skills to become an expert in that field. The resources are out there, many of them free or low cost. The opportunities are waiting. The future belongs to those who learn, adapt, and create value. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content to help you build your best life. See you in the next one.